Welcome back to another episode of Martin James Designs on the Outlaw build. So I'm putting the videos out quick now. This bike's on full reassembly, so it's going together fast. On the last episode, you guys saw the whole front end and the engine get put back together. So I'm gonna pull the calipers apart and we're gonna powder coat them black. I haven't done that before, and just with the silver, it just wasn't looking good enough with those rims, just with the black and the white lettering. I want to do that. Then we're going to get the rear tire and the rear end of the bike reinstalled, because the next step is getting this paint done. So I already pulled the calipers apart. We'll just do a little flashback getting those cleaned, and then we're gonna jump on to powder coating them. Okay, all rebuilt. Brake pads were still in good condition, so I just gave them a good clean. Made sure I didn't powder coat any areas that were important. So all the springs and everything fit right back in the clips. So I think it turned out awesome. Powder coated calipers, front and rear. First time doing that, so went together nice, plus they're all clean. It's like they're brand new. I think that's all I'm gonna do this episode. It'll be a quick one. let's just do a quick little tour around the bike and go over what the plan is for the next episode. All right, it's looking sweet. We saw the front end get done on the last one, and the rear end is fully assembled, powder coated the spacers, got the rear shocks all in, everything's fully mounted and balanced. Calipers have been powder coated, brake pads all cleaned and set, front and rear. Looking pretty good. So I mocked up the tail lights. These are different from the originals we set up, but I'm gonna see if I can still make these work because they're got the, or sorry, they're not tail lights, signals, but they're yellow. So I thought it would look really sweet when the signals are going yellow here, and you got that yellow headlight. It's gonna look pretty good. So everything's reassembled for the most part. Got the bars set up how I think it's gonna look good. And the next step is paint. I gotta get the paint done so then I can finish all the exhaust controls, everything, but I wanna see how the paint's looking first. So I'm just starting to do the body work just a little bit. There's not a lot to paint. There's this new gas tank, chopped up new fender, and these are only the 3 original parts, and these are in great shape. So I'm just gonna scuff them up so the primer bonds to it. And we're gonna be using all Limelight products. So we'll go over all of that in the next episode. That's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you guys are enjoying the content. I got a couple more projects coming up after this build. So I'm super excited to give this one to Terrence. I'm hoping he's gonna like it. Yeah, paint next episode and then final reassembly. So I'll catch you on the next one.